What's going on, guys? In this lecture we're going to create our login validation function. As we created the registration validation right here, we're going to create our login validation. Okay, here is our login page. We're going to validate if email address is empty, password is empty. We're going to display errors as we did actually in the registration page. Okay, so here we're going to create the function right here at the bottom of our functions.php. We're going to type login validation function. Okay, and here let's type function login validation. Okay, so we're going to check for if server, also the request method, okay, equals to post. We're going to select our inputs. Actually, we're going to select the email and clean it with our HTML entities function. We're going to select post, email. We're going to do the same thing for the password. Okay, so let's create our array right here. Let's say error messages equals to array. So we have to say if we have to say here if empty email, we're going to display something. We're going to display here for the error messages, email field cannot be empty. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for the password. Okay, there we go. We have an error actually. Where is it? Error messages. There we go. Okay, so here we have to say if not empty error messages. We have to say for each loop actually. Okay, so we'll say for each errors as error, we're going to echo our error message. We have created it. Okay, error message for the error. Okay, so let's go to our login.php page and reform our login form right here. Okay, let's remove this action actually and set the method equals to post. Let's name our inputs, also name email. Here also we're going to name password and reform here our button submit. Okay, it's a link. We have to make it a button type submit. Button type submit. btn log, btn primary. I have to say log. We have to put a name for it. Login btn. Okay, we have here an odd focus attribute. We have to remove it actually. Okay, and let's put our function right here. PHP login validation. So let's make sure we are good. I think we are good. Okay, so let's go here in the fresh. Say remove this. Say login. Oh, it's required actually. Okay, so we can remove the required from here. And let's do it again. Okay, login. There we go. We have our errors right here. Okay, we are good. So in the next lecture we're going to make a more validation and we're going to access the login form. We're going to start our session, and thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture. Okay, take care.